We begin by importing the styled function from the styled components library. Using this function, we create our first styled component named styled container. This component represents a div with a maximum width of 1200 pixels, centered horizontally with auto margins, and 15 pixels of padding on the sides. This container will serve as the main wrapper for our application's content, providing consistent spacing and alignment. Next, we create the styled header component, which is a styled header element. We assign it a dark background color, set the text color to white for contrast, and apply vertical padding. This styled header will be used across the application for a uniform top navigation area. Similarly, we define the styled footer, styling it just like the header with the same background and text colors, along with consistent padding. This ensures that the header and footer have a coherent design. In the custom_app.js file, we import our styled components and construct the layout for our application. The myAppComponent render function returns a React fragment holding our styled header, styled container, and styled footer. The main content, represented by the component and page props, is wrapped inside the styled container, ensuring all pages have consistent styling. Lastly, we have the page layout component. This component imports the styled container and uses it to wrap its children, which are the elements passed into page layout. This abstraction allows for even further reuse across different pages within the application. By encapsulating the consistent styling in the page layout, we can easily maintain and update the look of our pages from one central place.